If your SuperBox keeps buffering or channels suddenly stop working, don't panic. Most of the time, the fix is way simpler than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through the most reliable ways to fix SuperBox buffering issues in 2025 so you can get back to smooth, lag-free streaming. Before adjusting anything on your device, start by checking whether the issue is coming from SuperBox's side. Their servers can experience temporary outages, especially for certain regions or channel categories. The fastest way to confirm this is by checking SuperBox Facebook groups or browsing Reddit discussions. If you see a lot of people reporting the same issue at the same time, then it's likely server maintenance, and the only real solution is to wait a little and try again later. If it doesn't look like a server problem, shift your attention to your internet connection. Restart both your router and your SuperBox by unplugging them for a couple of minutes. This simple reset fixes more problems than you'd expect. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. It's almost always more stable, especially for live TV streaming. Aim for at least 8 megabits per second, but 15 megabits per second or more is ideal for smooth HD playback without freezing or pixelation, especially during peak hours. If channels still refuse to load, you can perform a factory reset, but only as a last resort. Head to Settings, open Device Preferences, choose the Reset option, and confirm. Keep in mind that this restores everything to default, so you'll have to set up your apps again afterward. Still stuck? Then it's time to contact SuperBox support. Open a ticket and clearly describe the issue, when it started, and the steps you've already tried. This helps them pinpoint the problem faster. And one important warning, avoid uninstalling pre-installed apps. Some of them are proprietary, and if you remove them, you can't download them again. Finally, check the placement of your device. If your SuperBox is squeezed inside a cabinet or stacked with other electronics, it may overheat, causing freezing and buffering. Give it enough airflow and keep it dust-free. Sometimes simply cooling the device down solves the issue instantly. Hopefully, these steps help you get your SuperBox running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.